I'm right here in Bumpus Cove. You see there are FEMA workers out trying to help people. They're getting in the truck. So FEMA workers here, the Army National Guard. This is a community called Bumpus Cove. We're right here in Unicoi County, in part of Washington County. In a certain area, I think a small section of this community is in Unicoi County, but most of it I think is in Washington County. Bumpus Cove, we're right outside of Jonesboro, Tennessee, Washington County. This is the Army National Guard, their heavy equipment, trucks. FEMA's out here trying to help people, taking information. So I do see FEMA. I've seen about 6 FEMA workers, and of course we got a bunch of Army National Guards. When the FEMA workers was walking around, a couple of them looked nervous because they said they had a couple threats here and there. Not in this community. They just heard about threats in the past, I think, talking about North Carolina. But I'm not going to talk about that. But you tell a couple of them was nervous. I walked up to them, shook their hand. And there's one guy I talked to, he works for Washington County, the government. He was out here like as a liaison. But the hurricane, the flooding from the Nolichucky River right here behind me, it came the water came all the way up here, down this road right here, way down this road. That's how high the river crested. And go down through here. This is Bumpus Cove Road. I'm in the community of Bumpus, which is B-U-M-P-U-S, Cove, C-O-V-E, Bumpus Cove, Tennessee, right outside of Jonesboro. It's pretty much like halfway point between Jonesboro, Tennessee and Irwin, Tennessee. I see FEMA workers down there. That guy on the right, I think it's FEMA worker right there. And there's a bunch of utility companies. And let's look at the houses. I met this guy who lives here last night. I was over here doing some videos, and I also recorded from a community right up here about, I don't know, 2 miles, called Embryville, Tennessee, Unicoi County, Washington County too, about 2 miles that way, Embryville, and it was really bad. But this is the worst I've seen. I've been to Hot Springs, North Carolina, Irwin, Tennessee. This is the worst I have witnessed. Like I said, we do have FEMA out here. We got a bunch of the Army National Guard, Tennessee, Army National Guard. Houses just devastated. Buildings demolished, houses ruined, cars twisted. I've seen it all here. I'm going to walk around and get some more footage. they're burning some kind of debris, I guess trees and buildings, stuff from mangled buildings down here by the Nolichucky. And let's zoom right over, let's pan right over here. The devastation is, I've never seen nothing like this. I did when I was growing up. You know, after hurricanes, after tornadoes and stuff like that. But not on this magnitude, where it pretty much wiped out an entire community. And all this is caused from the flooding from the Nolichucky River. Right over there where all the smoke is. The flooding came way, way across this road and halfway up this hill behind me. See this steep hill? The flooding, the river did. Look at these mangled cars. Speaks for itself. These was probably washed up from downstream, I don't know. It could be belong to people right here in this community. Twisted vehicles, mangled, contorted. That old house is damaged, definitely. And look at the building beside it. Looks like it was pushed over from there towards this old house. Looks like it was pushed from here to over here. On both sides of the street, demolished houses, contorted and twisted cars. This whole community right here in Bumpus Cove, Tennessee, has been devastated, has been destroyed. I've seen about 6 FEMA workers, and there's a bunch of National Guard and a couple utility trucks from local, I guess, companies right here. The one down here says Irwin Fiber, I guess fiber optics or whatever, maybe that's the name of the company, I'm not sure. But I've seen them putting up a transformer with a boom. Let me zoom in. With the boom lift right there at the bucket. Right over here. There they are. Those young men just put up the transformer, which is right here at the top of this pole. They put that transformer up. But let me zoom down here and show you how bad everything really is. Yeah, it speaks for itself. There's scattered debris everywhere. Houses damaged, severely damaged, everything. I do have a little weak signal on my cell phone. I guess you heard my ring camera. I think I have one bar here. Here comes Army National Guard. See here? They are out here working hard to help try to clean it. From what I've seen, doing their best to clean up this community. Tennessee Army National Guard. I met the guy that lives in that house right there. That's where I got my Chevy Impala parked. I met him last night. Bobby, he's a really nice guy. It's his house that got destroyed. And then the water got so high across this road, it went all the way up here towards higher ground. As you can see behind me, it's a hillside. It went all the way up there and also got damaged a little bit of his grandparents' house. All right, let's go somewhere else and get some more footage. I talked to that man right there, that young man. Here comes like another, that guy said Backyard Builders on the back of his truck. So there goes Backyard Builders. They're getting ready to take a big load off. How you doing? Well, the Army, Tennessee National Guard really doing our part from what I can see. There we go. So this man I know had lost his house. Here's World Central Kitchen. World Central Kitchen. So people's really helping out. World Central Kitchen. I don't know where they're from. It says it right here on the side of the vehicle. Providing drinks and food to people helping. That's good. See? Y'all have a great day. They got something to eat. That's good. Had to see people's.
And they left it exactly where I had to put that trailer. Well, they wanted to move stuff 10 feet off the road, but how am I supposed to do it? They're sitting there outside and shit. I mean, I'm not trying to be an asshole, but hey. Well, they had 2 trucks parked along that road, and I thought people, when I get equipment in, I only get it for like 2 to 3 hours. So when
Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. I was there about 2 hours. I got all my footage, and guess what? Right before I decided to leave, one of the men, top dog for the Tennessee Army National Guard, but he said, I think Air Force, it said Air Force, it looked like on his uniform, walked up to me and said, I'm going to have to ask you to erase all the footage of the Tennessee Army National Guard. It would hurt the community. Are you kidding? It would hurt the community? No, it would not. It would help the community to see people from the Army National Guard and FEMA actually doing their job. Be happy, positive, focused. Stay away from negative people. I always try to do the right thing. First time watching, please subscribe. I enjoy the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love everybody. I will see you all on down the road in the next video. Big O's got to go. Big O on the road.